Okay, here we have a remote that's been supposedly fixed by HTC for the third time now. I just received it today. I'm going to open it out of the box. If you look here, I already have this remote is hooked into it, and you can see that it works just fine. Does not float off the screen. I'll open up the supposedly fixed one. Attach it to the system. Okay, now it's paired. And I'll hold it in front. And there it goes, floating off the screen again. Get a video of the TV. It's broken again. Look. A video of me moving in my hand and it floating off the screen. Floats away every time. 3 times HTC and you failed to repair this. You can stop it now.